Want this edit? Open Filmora 14 and make sure you update it to the latest version. Go to Templates and search for New Year. Drag and drop the template to your editing timeline. As you can see, there are 28 videos that can be replaced in this template. I suggest that before editing, prepare your videos first to be more organized. Once prepared, you may now import all of them under Media tab. Let's watch the raw template of 2024 recap first before editing. Speaking of 2024 recap, Filmora recently launched an event where you can win many prizes. During the event, you will get one free spin every day, and you can also get extra spins if you invite your friends to join this event. By joining this event, you'll have the chance to win an Osmo Pocket 3 camera, 20% off Filmora Perpetual Plan, 30% off yearly plan creative assets, 500 AI credits, and a 7-day Filmora creative assets. You may create a video about your 2024 recap, upload it on any social media website with a hashtag recap with Filmora, and submit the link through the website provided below. Join this event now, create videos, and win! Back to the video. You may replace each videos in the template now by simply dragging your imported video over the template clip. You may replace each videos in the template now by simply dragging your imported video over the template clip. Since this template is intended for shorts or reels, you may adjust the aspect ratio of your landscape clips to 9:16. You may also adjust where you want your clip to start, as the duration is very short for each clip. Replace the rest of the clips and do some adjustments if necessary. After replacing and adjusting, you may now add some effects like this light leak that I will apply to the whole video. Simply drag and drop the effect right above the template. You may also adjust its opacity. Extend the effect until the end. And that's it, let's watch the results.